Ever felt like you're living in the slow lane while everyone else is zipping by in a sports car? Like your internet is a rusty old bicycle while others are cruising on a high-speed train? We've all been there, struggling with lag, buffering, and painfully slow downloads. It's frustrating, right? It disrupts our work, ruins our gaming sessions, and basically throws a wrench into our digital lives. But what if I told you there's a way to leave those frustrating days behind? What if you could experience the internet at lightning speed, seamlessly and effortlessly? Well, that's where Lightspeed Connect comes in. Now, you might be thinking, Lightspeed Connect? Sounds fancy, but what exactly is it? That's the million-dollar question, and the one we're going to dive into today. Lightspeed Connect isn't just another internet service provider or a fancy new router. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about connectivity. It's a comprehensive approach designed to optimize and accelerate your internet experience from start to finish. Think of it as a supercharger for your digital life. Let's break it down. Lightspeed Connect is built on a few key pillars. First, and perhaps most importantly, is its focus on cutting-edge infrastructure. We're talking about state-of-the-art fiber optic networks, strategically placed servers, and advanced routing technologies. This isn't your grandfather's internet connection. It's built from the ground up to handle the demands of today's data-heavy world. Think high-definition streaming, online gaming, video conferencing, and downloading massive files, all happening simultaneously without a hiccup. But infrastructure is only part of the equation. Lightspeed Connect also emphasizes intelligent network management. Imagine a traffic controller for the internet, constantly monitoring network congestion and dynamically routing traffic to ensure the fastest and most efficient paths. This means less latency, reduced packet loss, and ultimately, a smoother and more responsive online experience. No more spinning wheel of death or frustrating lag spikes. Another crucial aspect of Lightspeed Connect is its commitment to reliability. We understand that your internet connection is essential, whether you're working from home, streaming your favorite shows, or staying connected with family and friends. That's why Lightspeed Connect is engineered for maximum uptime. Redundant systems, proactive monitoring, and a dedicated support team are all in place to ensure that you stay connected, no matter what. Now, you might be wondering, okay, this sounds great, but how does it actually work in practice? Let's paint a picture. Imagine you're trying to download a large file. With a traditional internet connection, you might have to wait minutes, even hours, for the download to complete. But with Lightspeed Connect, that download happens in a fraction of the time. Why? Because the advanced infrastructure and intelligent network management work together to optimize the data transfer, ensuring that you get the fastest possible speeds. Or, let's say you're playing an online game. With a regular connection, you might experience lag, which can be the difference between winning and losing. But with Lightspeed Connect, the low latency and minimal packet loss mean that your actions are registered instantly, giving you a competitive edge. You're no longer fighting your connection. You're focused on the game. And it's not just about speed. Lightspeed Connect also enhances the overall quality of your online experience. Think crystal clear video calls, seamless streaming of high-definition content, and effortless browsing. It's about removing the friction from your digital life and allowing you to focus on what matters most. Now, let's talk about who can benefit from Lightspeed Connect. The answer is simple. Just about everyone. Whether you're a student, a gamer, a remote worker, a content creator, or simply someone who relies on the internet for everyday tasks, Lightspeed Connect can make a significant difference. If you're tired of slow internet speeds, frustrated with lag and buffering, or simply want a more reliable and consistent online experience, then Lightspeed Connect is for you. Think about the possibilities. Imagine being able to download massive files in seconds, stream 4K video without a single buffer, participate in lag-free online gaming, and conduct crystal-clear video conferences without any interruptions. That's the power of Lightspeed Connect. It's not just about faster speeds. It's about unlocking the full potential of the internet. So, how do you get Lightspeed Connect? That's easy. Simply visit our website or contact our customer support team. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have and guide you through the process. We'll work with you to determine the best plan for your needs and ensure a smooth and seamless installation. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. There must be a catch. Well, the truth is, there isn't. Lightspeed Connect is a game changer, and we're confident that you'll be thrilled with the results. We're so confident, in fact, that we offer a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely happy with your Lightspeed Connect experience, we'll make it right. We believe that everyone deserves access to fast, reliable, and affordable internet. That's why we're committed to bringing Lightspeed Connect to as many people as possible. We're constantly expanding our network and investing in new technologies to ensure that our customers have access to the best possible internet experience. Lightspeed Connect isn't just about speed. It's about empowerment. It's about giving you the tools you need to connect, create, and explore the digital world without limitations. It's about removing the barriers that have held you back and allowing you to experience the internet the way it was meant to be experienced. So, if you're ready to leave slow internet speeds behind and experience the future of connectivity, then it's time to make the switch to Lightspeed Connect. Join the growing number of people who are already enjoying the benefits of faster speeds, lower latency, and a more reliable online experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.